All right, happy Friday. We're doing, again, division problems, one-step equations with division. And you can see the division right here. I'll cover this all up so you can see it. A divided by 13. So if we're doing division, the opposite of that is multiplication, which we can indicate with parentheses. In order to get rid of a fraction, because this realistically is 1 over 13, we do its inverse. So we do 13 over 1. That just means to flip it over. Well, if we do it on that side, we must do it on the other side. So 13 over 1. We can change that into a fraction as well. So we know that here that we have cross-canceling done. We don't like that word canceling. It really just becomes 13 over 13. If I take 1 times 13, I get 13. If I take 13 times 1, I get 13. And 13 divided by 13 is 1. 1 times a is just a. But hence we say we cross cancel, but I hate that word. Anyway, here we go. So 13 times 20 is 260. We're multiplying the numerators, then we multiply the denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. And in essence, 20 or 260 divided by 1 is 260. Any number over 1 is just itself. Okay, there's the first one. I'm actually using a green marker here, but it's coming out black. So you can find another color that'll show up a little bit better. My orange is out. So we're looking at this side, which is 1, and that's purple, looks black too. 1 over 6. So we know we're going to deal with that side, so we want to use the reciprocal of the 1 with the x. That's 6 over 1. We just flip it. 1 over 6, we flip it over 6 over 1. That's called its inverse. We'll do that over here and make that 11 over 1. Split up our problem. Well, cross cancel, we can cross cancel, that actually becomes 1 over 1, and 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, yada yada, and 1 times x is x. So we can just say they're gone. All right, here, 11 times 6, we're going to multiply the numerator through the top. 11 times 6 is 66, and 1 times 1 is 1. And again, I get it, why do we do that? But when we get into fractions here in about 4 days, you're going to understand why this is significant that we're learning it this way. Well, any number over 1 is itself, so it's just 66. That's your answer. All right, have a great weekend. Stay safe. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Check that. Be safe. Have a good weekend.